Okay, there's my camera. Yeah, we're taking off for Dallas for Denton today. And we're flying over there following our 206 and picking him up. He's leaving it for his annual, and we'll be back here in a couple hours. Minden traffic, Skyline 93 Tango Hotel is taking off runway 1. We'll be departing out to the west. Minden.
Clear my way.
Oh, what we gonna go to? High, altitude, you think?
I hadn't looked at the winds.
Okay, so we'd be going toward the evens, so let's say maybe, I'm gonna say 65 for right now.
Sounds good to me.
Hey David, this is Danny. We're over the airport at 4,500 right now. We're gonna go ahead and start, get flight following and start toward Denton, okay? Shreveport approach, Skyline 93 Tango Hotel.
Skyline 93 Tango Hotel, Shreveport approach.
Yes sir, we'd like to get flight following. We're just taking off from Minden, like to get flight following to Denton, Delta Tango Oscar.
Skyline 3 Tango Hotel, squawk 5235 I-10.
Damn, I know I gotta start using that other one.
Fine.
Okay, 5235, identity.
Skyline 3 Tango Hotel, radar contact 1 mile northeast of the Minden Airport, Shreveport altimeter 3014, stay altitude.
3014, and we're climbing through 5400 to 6500.
Skyline 3 Tango Hotel, roger, proceed on course.
Alright, proceeding on course, thanks.
That one's gonna...
2657, 2314.
Camera's gonna get a good video of it.
93 Tango Hotel, contact regional approach 125.2, good day.
That was us, wasn't it? 125.2, good day, thanks. Fort Worth Center 93 Tango Hotel is with you at 6500.
Number 93 Tango Hotel, regional approach, clear in the Bravo airspace, and maintain 4,500.
Descending to 4,500, thanks.
933 Whiskey Papa, regional approach, Juliet, current effective visual
They also
approach,
cleared us into Bravo.
Right. Do I have to repeat that back to him?
Nah. Normally we would, though.
Okay.
But it's okay.
There.
Number 8 Delta Whiskey, contact the regional approach, 118.1.
118.1.
Number 81 Bravo, turn right direct executive.
That was David.
Number 5181 Bravo, turn right direct executive.
Do what now?
That was David. He gave that frequency to.
Okay.
So I just went ahead and put it
Alright,
in.
attention all aircraft, I need you to listen up, I can't keep repeating myself.
51.
Number 993 Tango Hotel, expedite descent, it's going to maintain 3,500.
Okay, going down to 3,500. Expedite.
Southwest 3, you can begin your descent now, contact Love Tower 123.7. 3 Tango Hotel, descend and maintain 2,500.
Descending 2,500. 93 Tango Hotel.
That's 1494, turn right at 140.
Right 140, Southwest 1494.
Southwest 45, turn right at 160.
Right turn heading 160.
They want at least 500.
At least 500 in here, okay.
Yeah.
Local 47 Charlie on station is
So they don't mind if you do it too fast neither, huh?
No.
As long as you're
Charlie, say again.
more than 500 or 600, they want to get you there.
Will get me to my station, 47
Okay,
Charlie.
gotcha.
Number 47 Charlie, you can turn right to your
Yeah, I gotta
140.
pick up with the
Okay, right,
speed in
140,
these
thank
kind of
you.
airports. I just don't,
45,
not used to that.
Yeah.
180 heading Southwest 45.
Number 93 Tango Hotel, expedite descent to 2,500, please, fly heading 270.
Flying, going down 2,500, 270. Okay, so left-hand turn, right?
Yep. 7 miles.
Field to sight, Southwest 45.
That was 45, clear visual approach, runway 31 left.
What did he say,
Clear the visual
25?
approach 31
Yeah,
left.
traffic
Southwest
warning.
45.
I got him.
Number 3 Whiskey Papa sliding 150. Number 3 Whiskey Papa sliding 150.
200 feet from 2,500 now.
1494 sliding 150, descend and maintain 4,000.
Got him.
Heading 150 down to 4,000, Southwest
Not yet.
1494.
Yeah, keep your eyes peeled.
Number 197 Bravo Sierra, go ahead. Number 93 Tango Hotel, contact the regional approach 118.1.
118.1.
Number 3 Whiskey Papa, descend.
Regional approach, Skyline 93 Tango Hotel. It's with you at 2,500.
November 3 Tango Hotel, regional approach, altimeter 3027.
3027, thanks. Okay, the next one will be the tower. What is the tower?
It is 1995. Got one 1,000 above, straight off to the left.
Right.
See? Right there. Opposite direction.
Yeah, I seen.
Yeah.
Got him first. Took me a second though. Think David's on the ground yet?
Probably. He was about 6 minutes ahead of us at least. I got the field.
You do?
Roger,
there.
16
The row of white buildings.
Navigation
Yeah.
to Arlington and just maintain
Kind of to the
VFR
left of them?
2,500.
Okay.
Your base is probably over that water tower, the close one.
Okay. In this situation, do you tell them you have the airport in sight, or do you just let them,
Oh, you
November
can.
761, Romeo Mike, regional approach, roger.
You can squeeze in a word, yeah.
yeah. 93 Tango Hotel, we have Denton in sight.
November 3 Tango Hotel, contact the tower, 1995, yeah.
1995, thanks. Denton Tower, Skyline 93 Tango Hotel is with you at 2,500.
Skyline 93 Tango Hotel, Denton Tower, thanks. Enter our midfield right down, runway 36.
Okay, enter in midfield. What do you say?
Right downwind.
Right downwind 36, thanks.
Heading towards attraction 380, there's traffic 11 o'clock, 2
Hang
miles
left.
westbound,
Huh?
3,500.
3 Tango Hotel's looking.
That was for somebody else. Cessna 5284 Quebec Tower, you're 2.5 west of Crum. I wanted you over Crum, but just continue that heading
the
for the
runway
downwind
inside?
now.
Yeah.
Traffic 12 o'clock, a mile westbound,
Checking my
3,500.
carb heat out real quick.
Looking for traffic, 84 Quebec.
There you go.
10 Tower, Cessna 69145. 10 miles, west inbound from Full
69145.
One landing over there. That might be David there.
Maybe.
Report over upon the runway 36, Cessna 145.
Pattern altitude.
Cessna 93 Tango Hotel number 1, runway 36, clear to land, wind 3509.
Okay, 93 Tango Hotel, clear to land, thanks.
1,400 pattern altitude.
Traffic no factory, just go direct to the airport now, left down, runway 36.
Left downwind is for runway 36, 84 Quebec.
I'll keep my speed up since we're coming into here. How long's the airport?
7,000.
Okay.
Getting slow. Too slow. Too slow. Too slow. Too slow.
Guess I'll take the next taxiway.
Yeah.
Just 93 Tango Hotel, turn right next taxiway, contact ground, 1 off, 123.95.
2395 will do. Turning right now, south.
Thank you, Cessna 5284 Quebec, number 1, runway 36, clear to land, wind 3507.
336 number 1 clear to land 84 Quebec.
Okay, go past the line and then stop, right?
Yep. And we're going to U.S. Aviation.
Tower 93 Tango Hotel is holding short. We're going to, what's it called?
U.S.
U.S. Aviation.
November 93 Tango Hotel, Denton ground from Alpha 5, turn left on Bravo to parking.